to begin with, you have to go to Google and type Bahrain renewal ID renewal service. Okay, after that go to the first link, identity card services. Okay, so you'll have this page open. Over there you'll find some multiple options. Okay, so since you have to renew your ID card CPR, you have to go to this option, ID card issuance and renewal services. Okay, out of these three options, choose the second, ID card issuance services. And over here you need to type your personal number, that is your CPR. Okay, and then you have to put a request for your ID card renewal. Okay, now again you have to go Google, check postal tracking, the first link, tracking of postal packages. Click on that link, and after you open that, you have to click on launch service. Okay, from here open second option, tracking of postal packages. Over here you need to enter the number. Item number is same as tracking number that you receive through the e-government message in your mobile. So you have to enter the same tracking number over here as item number, and then after you enter it, you just check this box, I'm not a robot, and submit. Then you can check the status of your package. Drag it down and then you can check the status of your package and location and when it's going to delivered. So all the status will be updated over here.